This graduation today was really amazing. The class of 2022. I was not expecting like this, but I see that ABM is really growing. I thought it was just only 50 people, but I see the crowd, the atmosphere here, and the place was really great. Well, my program was really tough. Like I am on weekend class, and I am management between my full-time work and my class and my family. And it was great learning online. Well, my instructors, they are really well equipped with regards to my course on information technology. Have a lot of experience with regards to their job, and I learned from them. Yeah, to ABM College, I thank you for all the support, and don't stop. Keep helping people for their education. I believe that if this will still continue, there will be a lot of people that will grow or help their career to move forward.